This is a live demo of an application we've delivered to an injection molding customer in Africa, in Kenya to be precise. This customer has a total of 150 machines broken down into different sections, blow A, B, C, D, and 2 injection sections. What the Smart Manufacturing Analytics dashboard shows is how overall the plant is looking like, and for each section there are details, and we have navigation to get into very specific analytics that the customer would use. I am now getting into a specific into the OEE. Just double clicking the block called OEE for the section below A. We fire up the inputs for that particular section. What this comes up with is shows me that the overall section is doing at an OEE 58% with its relevant components of availability, performance, and quality. Since this is live, it takes a few seconds for the data to show up in the charts. There it goes. We are additionally showing enterprise-wide analysis from performance perspective by representing top 5 performing machines, bottom 5 performing machines. With this, the customer easily can track performance of various machines over a given period of time and use this information in terms of his capital investment decisions. Additionally, the feature that we have within the system, let's say for example, I'm looking at the bottom performing machines and I would like to find out whether a given machine is amongst the bottom performing machines repeatedly over different months. So let's say I go to this machine called P5A. I just click this particular bar. What the system does is highlights the bars in the other months for the same equipment. This way I can easily figure out that yes, there is a repeat bad performance of a given machine over a period of time. I could have these charts not only for 3 months, I could have them for X number of months, depends upon how I want to do the assessment and analysis at the plant. Similarly, on the energy side, we are doing analytics on a machine basis. Additionally, we have information about operators tracked via HMI stations. So there are many manual entries done by operators. There's also a sign-in. So we can track which operator is working on which machine and thereby track his efficiency. This information is very useful to the plant manager when he has to figure out who are the people who need additional training and who are the outperformers, who are the people who are able to generate more output and things of that kind. So here you see an analysis result showing machines causing highest energy wastage. So repeated high energy wasted on a given machine alarms the plant manager, gives him an idea on what to work upon for that machine to perform better. On the lower side, we see operators causing highest energy wastage. So this is tracked via the HMI device that we installed. As in the previous one, if I need to find out if there is a given operator who is repeatedly a bad performer, so let's say I click on this particular operator name called Nicholas, and I find yes, the same operator was amongst the highest energy wasters or operators causing highest energy wastage in the previous months too. We have similar analytics for the downtime analysis, for rejection analysis. Fundamentally, a quick summary of such information really helps plant management team to cut down all possible waste areas. So on a downtime analysis, we do 2 types of assessments. One is trying to figure out what are the causes for the most frequent downtimes, and this is measured in the overall time lost due to the cause. And the other analysis we do is what are those causes which are occurring the most frequent times. Maybe they are not causing as much in terms of downtime, in terms of hours or days, but they are occurring too frequently, and the plant management team can actually look at it and resolve these issues urgently. And the last one is on the rejection front. Causes of rejection also is analyzed machine wise. We can get analytics complete and enterprise wide. As I mentioned earlier, this is a plant with 150 machines, so it's very easy for the plant management team to take a snapshot of what's happening and accordingly take decisions for improvement. Here we will see the top 5 reasons causing maximum rejection and the most frequent rejection reasons. In fact, the user has liked these analytics so much, he's of course suggested a few additions to this. He is now trying to tie up the wages of the operators based on performance matrix parameters that we see on the analytics screens. Also important, the fact that we were able to interface multitude of variety of machines. So this could enable a nice overall enterprise-wide analytical view of the process, and this really has given a lot of benefits. As per the customer, over a period of 14 months of usage, he's been able to come down roughly 15% in energy usage. He wants to further reduce this by another 10%. On the OEE side, he's already started seeing improvements. His target is, based on this, to knock off at least improvement of 10% on the OEE. So this is what we had for a demo. Any questions, please come back to us. Thank you.